Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. It has been relatively quiet over the last 24 hours. Yesterday, after I made the video, though, we had a nice move up. In the end, that was a bull trap. As you can see, we spiked up towards new highs right here at 2.9. But as you can see from the leverage, we gained basically the entire move was leverage driven, liquidated a lot of shorters. And then we actually got a breakout here. So a lot of longs were entering the chat as well. And those got liquidated with this move down. And since then, we've basically been holding our own, all right? XRP, and this was also to be expected if you watched the video yesterday. The main support level for XRP is this level, basically this trend band on the 1 hour time frame, right? And you can see that we're actually holding that relatively well here, or at least the middle of the trend band is holding. And if we zoom out, we still have most of the 4 hour time frame trend band coming down right now. We also have the weekly open here at 2.3. So there's plenty of support here, but XRP seems to kind of be doing what it also did right here, Saturday, the 23rd of November, which is getting into some sort of a consolidation at the local highs. And that is structure-wise extremely bullish, all right? When a price gets to a new high, at least locally, all right, not ultimately, the all-time high is still at 3.3, and there's still resistance at $3 as well. But when a price gets to a local high, and it's able to sustain a consolidation at that local high, so not lower, if XRP starts to drop down now, and starts to consolidate on top of 2.25 or on top of $2, I would say that's bearish, and that could be the start of a reversal. As long as we're holding this level, it's bullish. And right now, it also seems most likely that we will be able to hold the level. I mean, yesterday we had quite a lot of bad news and quite a lot of bearish pressure across the markets, but you can see that XRP dropped down to that weekly open, found strong support there, and never dropped down below that. I mean, ultimately, we even never dropped down below the trend band here, recovered quite nicely. What is the case, though, is that the momentum right now is quite low, and that was also the case yesterday. Yesterday, the momentum was already dropping down. So that's also, if you watched the video yesterday, what we said is that it's most likely now that we'll pull back a little bit into the trend, then we'll consolidate, and then once we actually gain some new momentum and new volume, and I say this quite often, unless we actually have it, then we'll go up higher. And at the moment, we don't have that yet. There's early signs of momentum increasing here, so that could turn out to be good. But I don't think that's enough for now, because what you see is that that's a phenomenon right now across the markets. Look at Bitcoin, you see the same. And we need some XRP specific momentum coming in. Then we can actually break out above our main resistance level, let's call it 2.75, and head up to our next targets at conservatively $3 and 3.1. So do I think this is going to happen? Yes, but not right now. There's not enough confirmation right now. I would need to see the volume increase to at least, well, the volume is actually still quite high. But if we actually want to break out from these levels, I would say volume needs to be above 45 billion again. So if that happens, then we can break out. But for now, with the volume dropping down day by day, and the momentum also not necessarily being something super crazy, I would say it's most likely that we'll just stay in this consolidation here. Maybe we'll have some sort of a, depending on the market circumstances, we could have some sort of a spike. It's a possibility. We could also have a spike up. But ultimately, I think we'll consolidate here. And then when we actually do get that momentum, and when we do get that volume, and I'll let you know when that is, then we can break out. But that's what I think you need to know for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.